Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, showing you a sticky kisses trick again. It's just something different that I like doing. It's certainly therapeutic and very enjoyable. So what I'm using is an art board there. They're like a laminated or melamine art board. I have got a previous video that tells you all about them in more detail. So I'm just using paint and water, nothing complicated here. It's just paint and water, and certainly keeping the paint very, very watery on these boards works the best with my sticky kisses. So I'm going to, just layering this paint. As you see, I keep dipping that brush into just a pot of water that I've got there, just trying a different kind of background with the colours that I have on my little plate there, or canvas I'm using. I'm using a canvas that's still got plastic on. But anyway, I will let you watch along and I'll jump in when I feel I need to. I'm getting a toffee apple vibe here. I'm just looking at this now and feeling like they look like toffee apples that we used to get in the UK as a kid, and feeling yummy. So this first part is just simply using your finger as your tool in your art. See, so when you've got these clay art boards, which are laminated or melamine art boards, it really helps you create some fantastic effects in your paint just with your finger. So it's definitely therapeutic. And yes, you certainly could do it with the children, family or friends and see what they come up with. You could even use your background as use this as a background to write a saying in your love or whatever you want to say with your lovely background. But certainly so much fun, and one that I really recommend you try. How simple is that? Such fun and therapy with simple paint and water. I'll put a link below, probably in the pinned comments, for these art boards that you can get off my Amazon store. But certainly lots of fun and therapy. Finger painting can be done as good fun and therapy with the children, with your friends. But because it is done on these clay boards that I do, that's why you get that nice, when you can push your finger around on it, or as I do normally use my balloon, and it creates these wonderful effects. But obviously when it's dry, you can resin over it. You can certainly take lots of high definition photos and get prints of it, because believe it or not, these crazy kind of effects like this are used all the time, different digital media. So it's so much fun and definitely therapy. So as something a bit different and a spin on it, I'll just grab the art board that I was talking about. They're called clay boards, but I think I have a link for them. If you look in the description box on my underneath in the description, you'll see they're like a laminated board. So it doesn't have to be this particular clay board, but it's like a laminated board. You could certainly do it on a piece of melamine or laminate or something, so they're nice and firm, and you can do all sorts. Be great in complete rainbow colours. All it is the paint. Today I use the PBO paint and water, just sprayed as you've seen. You'll see with my sticky kisses balloon art, I just use the paint and water. Yeah, great fun. And it comes out so good, like really cool, like I said, if you take a nice photo of it and get prints of it. Oh, so many possibilities. Okay, my lovelies, wait on for the photos at the end. Have fun.